All right, welcome back. I'm here at Emerald Car Care getting my 500-mile oil change from the new reman engine. So the mechanic's going to be out in a minute. I'm just going to give him the keys right now and we'll get the results of the oil change, if there's any hiccups, and if everything went smooth. This is great.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Thank you. All right, I'll let you get to her.
Get her done.
So they, ambulance. Outside oil changes, very cool.
Nothing broke.
Well, it runs great, I'll say.
Your shit. Looking real dry up here. I was worried about looking good.
Very clean, yeah, it's nice.
Super dry. We love dry.
Very good. That's our friend.
Yeah, I think we're golden.
Nice.
Need to change the oil and call it good. It's looking fantastic. Oh, sorry. That didn't get in the way.
No. Yeah, it looks pretty clean. As far as mileage, it's not a brand new engine, but it's kind of a brand new engine in a sense.
Yeah, so it's remanufactured. So whenever they do that, they pull the crankshaft, the pistons, the rings, all that. Make sure anything that needs to get replaced or anything we can replace gets replaced. The factory that does it, which is Jasper,
Right.
and they're literally one of the most reliable engine manufacturers, remanufacturers I've ever met.
So for mileage wise, it's not like it's 000, but it's in that proximity in a sense because it's
Oh, absolutely. I would definitely treat it as a 000 mile motor.
Okay.
Absolutely. Especially with them, they're just such high quality.
Oh, wow. Cool.
So, motor actually 0 miles. I'd rather put a Jasper in, just because I've seen those brand new motors from the factory and everything fail. These Jasper motors, all the years when I'm doing it, I've seen one mess up because of whoever installed it.
So that gives it a quick circulation,
Mhm.
and then you just look to see if there's any drips or anything like that.
Yeah. I just want to make sure the oil filter isn't leaking, the drain plug's all good. I mean,
Okay.
I know I tightened while I was down there, but it doesn't hurt anything to quadruple check all your work, you know?
Yep.
5 seconds to save $5,000, you know?
No kidding.
We're good to go. Right on.
Well, there you have it. It's complete. He's just wrapping up the paperwork, and that'll be that. It's clean, smooth, it was fast. Excellent. Gotta like it. Got to like it. Any final comments on anything?
Everything's looking great. I'm really happy with everything as long as you are.
Good, good. I'm happy.
Awesome. We're not leaking. Sounds great. Fire's right up.
All right.
Gonna ask for anything better right now.
Perfect. Thank you, fine sir.
Thank you.
All right. All right. So we are complete. Final piece of paper. Doing the engine change and its first oil change, and everything is good. Went smooth. There was nothing, no dirt or machined particles or anything inside that we could see. All in all, it was a really smooth, clean, complete oil change. And that's all we got for today. That's exciting. Whew. Last thing you want is a hiccup. Well, thanks for joining me. My van was recently attacked by a disorganization bomb. Yeah, I've survived. I'm alive, but the van took a serious hit. Stuff's all over the place. I got stuff here. I got stuff there. I got stuff up there. Yeah. Over here is the vitamin corner with B's in here. I got some magnesium, got some C's, some zinc, a few other odds and ends. And then over here I got the spice corner, have some, there we go, some garlic powder, got some, what's that, oregano. Over here I got some ginger, got also some turmeric and some curry in there, black pepper, salt, and some cayenne pepper. So that's the majority of those bad boys. Down here, we've got some cleaning stuff, and then some protein powder, some peanut butter, and etc. Some maple syrup. Yeah, dark chocolate dudes, really good, organic, good stuff. And then, of course, the mess up here, all the utensils and goodies. Yeah, this is where the bomb took the hit over here. Yeah, didn't have a chance. Really, it just really got crushed pretty good. So have to sort that out and fix it before bedtime, obviously. Fud. Cooking some fud. And do a little taste, add a little few things, tweak it up a little bit, and enjoy it. Now, one of the things about cooking in the van for me is I like to have the doors open, like the air to move around, like to blow it around. It's always a great thing. I don't mind cooking with the doors closed. I just like having the air moving around. It's kind of nice because it can get pretty hot sometimes. It's surprising how much heat just a little thing will create inside a closed space like this. Might be different if this was a stand-up van, but because it's not, here we are. Anyhow, it's all good. It better be good when I taste it too, I'll tell you that. I'm talking about. I took the hamburger out last night and had it in the freezer. Took it out, thawed it out, and had the spices put in it later on, just before putting it in here and stirring it up. Now it's starting to Smells pretty tasty. Yeah. It's a little guy. It only does 120 watts, which is good. It's got your off, your on, obviously, or your low, your high, and then warm. So it can cook from 4 to 6 hours on low. I don't know about high because this is the first time using it, but so far it's pretty nice. Now I'm going to pour in a little bit of honey, let that cook with that. That'll be a nice flavor, and maybe even a little dribble of maple syrup. Just to change the taste a little bit. Yeah, looking good. Smells great. I like being a cookist. Yeah, inventing recipes is a damn fine thing, I gotta say. It's damn fine, mighty fine. Yeah. Pull up my honey jar. It leaks a little bit, so I don't know why it leaks. It's always sticky. So put it in a bag, got the lid, gonna take that off. Use the spoon, put some in, and see how that works. Take a little bit out of here. Nice raw honey from an organic place. Dribble that in there. Should be nice. Don't want to go overkill, just add a little bit of a sweetness to it. Mix it up with the spices. Looks like that's going to be a little bit till that gets out of there. Might take a minute or 3. The time has come when all good food must be put into the mouth. Here we go. Take the lid off and scoop a little bit into the bowl. Nice. Very juicy. All right, looking good. Kind of like a little chili. Right on. All right, so do a little taste test. Pretty hot. Did that ever taste good? Wow. That little bit of honey just adds so much flavor to the spices. It's amazing. Oh, got a jumper. There we go. I don't want to eat in front of you, but this is absolutely delicious. That's all I got for today. Getting the van with its oil change and trying out this new slow cooker. Fantastic. We'll see you on the next video. Hope you're having an awesome day, and we'll see you soon. Cheers.